Feeling ko na-miss na ako ni Ola kasi ilang araw kaming hindi nakapag-bonding.
Good morning mga Zoobs. So I'm out here in Dulwich. I'm about to have a haircut. I'm just about 5 minutes around the corner from the city. And yeah, I need a haircut because it's my birthday coming up on the 28th. But on Friday, we are having a dinner out, most likely in West Lakes. But the backup plan will be Crown Plaza at our favorite restaurant before, Kumo. But yeah, we're looking at a place called Tumke Ceviche. It's a Peruvian Japanese flavored woodhouse grill. That's what it says on the Instagram bio. But yeah, I got to get a fresh haircut for that. Just because I want to look fresh. But yeah, I woke up this morning, I felt really, really strange. I don't know if it's because I stopped eating so early before going to bed or because I only had like 5 hours sleep. I don't know if you can notice, I look quite tired, but after I dropped off Aaliyah, I had to go back to sleep before I come to my haircut. But I just couldn't get back to sleep for some reason. I don't know why. I was just, so many things were running through my head. So I ended up getting up and then my stomach was just terrible. It was feeling really bad. And I felt like it was my body telling me I needed some carbs, which I haven't had for quite a long time now. So sadly, this morning I had some carbs. So, and it wasn't healthy carbs, guys. It was some 2-minute noodles. So sadly, I had some 2-minute noodles this morning, but I just felt my body needed some carbs and I couldn't find any bread, and all the rice that we had was frozen and then it had nothing to go with it. So I was like, oh, I think this is the only option. So yeah, I ended up having noodles. I sort of felt a little bit worse at first, and then I ended up having to go to the toilet. A little bit came up from my stomach. I don't want to mention. Well, I just did. Yeah, I just really wasn't feeling good. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better now. So I'm going to go get my hair cut. And then later on, my mum said she wants to take me shopping again. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but we'll see if she holds up to her word later.
Good morning mga Zoobs! So nakabalik na si Andy galing sa haircut. Nandito kami ngayon sa kotse kasi gusto ni Ola magkita kami. Today, pupunta kami sa mall, bonding. Feeling ko na-miss na ako ni Ola kasi ilang araw kaming hindi nakapag-bonding. But ito na nga, bago namin sunduin si Aaliyah, sasaglit kami sa mall, maglalakad-lakad. Siguro tsaka doon ako magbe-breakfast. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast eh. Mimi, have you seen my lip balm? Ito na, nilagay ko pala. This is a different one. This is the Nivea one. Pero okay din naman to.
Mom!
Yes, Bab? Ayan.
That's a dog!
Yeah. Naka-sunglasses nga pala ako dahil namamaga pa yung mata ko. Pagka-uwi kasi ni Andy, nagkaya nga sila. So, nagmamadali kaming nag-ready ni Mimi. Naligo kami together. Para dire-diretso na ang araw namin today. We didn't really plan any today. But they have swimming, Daddy. They have... Your mom is calling?
It says Kula.
Kula. So ayan mga Zoobs, kami tumatawid ngayon sa daan at wala masyadong kausay. Swimming nga pala today, Mimi. Swimming.
Oh.
Yeah, so we need to be back on time. Pagkahatid kay Aaliyah, may na-ready na akong 2 swimsuit para sa kanila kagabi. Dahil na, naligpit ko na nga yung mga damitan nila.
I can't go out. water.
You can go underwater. I know that. Lagi siya nandun underwater. Don't drink water, okay? That's bad. Remember what happened last week? Yeah? So ito na, kami ay maglalakad-lakad mga zoobs. At i-update namin kayo ano man ang next namin gagawin. Hindi masyadong busy today. May mga kotse pero ano kasi ngayon, off-peak. So, konti-konti lang, oh. Saka hindi naman to super highway. Highway siya, pero konti lang yung, ano yung daan. Ayan yung swimming center. Madadaanan natin. Tapos sa likod niyan, yun na yung mall. Morning mga zoobs.
Good morning mga zoobs.
Okay, galing naman ni Mimi. She loves vlogging. Pagkagising ni Mimi, Daddy sabi niya, "Where's Daddy?" Kasi bear yung katabi niya. She's waking me up. Pero mabait.
I wake you up.
Yeah. Hinag niya ako. Sweet ni Mimi, syempre. Sabi niya, "Mommy, I'm hungry." Tapos, sabay yakap. Siyempre, I need to get up na kasi Mimi is hungry. Diba, Mims?
Massage me.
I massage you. So, ayan na guys. Nandito na kami, Westfield, Marion. That's the main mall dito sa Adelaide. Meron ding Marion sa ibang suburbs dito. Ilan ng Marion Mall, Daddy? Ay, ilan ng Westfield Mall? 3. Sa buong Adelaide, 3 daw. Westlakes, T3 Plaza, and this, yung sa Marion.
I don't think the one in the south is Westfield.
Pero may iba't ibang lugar na may Target, katabi ng mga groceries, yan. Tsaka Kmart. Mga maliliit na shopping center dito. Pero ito kasi talaga malaki siya. Dito kami bababa sa Target kung meron kaming makitang parking for baby. Do you need stroller, Mims? Do you need to get the stroller pa? Oh. You love your stroller, ano?
This one, Africa.
Alvicar?
Africa.
The one from Africa. Ang galing mo naman. Who told you that?
He gave me one.
Yeah, they gave you one. They gave you 2.
2? Oh.
The second one is the old one. We left it in Mommy Eileen's.
Oh. Let's tickle me like this.
Lela's tickling you.
Yeah, like this. He's doing that.
Okay, we're here na mga zoos. Daddy yung stroller niya. Si Daddy getting the stroller. We have to bring water and wipes just in case Mimi pupo.
Jumping?
Yeah. Are you cold? Sa bagay sa mall hindi malamig. Na? Maipit. Let's go, Mimita. Mga zoobs, alam nyo ang ganda ng panahon. Malamig na mainit. Favorite ko yan. Eto na, naglalakad na ako. Susunduin ko si Aliyah. Si Andy kasi nagnap ng konti kasi medyo 5 hours lang yung sleep niya dahil nagpa-haircut siya today. Kaya inayaan ko na lang muna doon. Iniwan ko si Mimi sa kanya, of course. Kaya sunduin ko si Aliyah and then pakainin ko ng lunch niya bago namin dalhin sa swimming yung mga bata. Si Mimi napakain ko na. kumakain siya ng oats. Ayun. So, yun lang yung schedule namin. Basically, today. Some malling and swimming day for the kids. And I don't know kung baka sa bahay lang kami mag-dinner. We have lots of food. Relax, relax. Siguro ayusin ko yung yung toilet naman namin. Yung mga stocks namin, nagkanda halo-halo na. Yun siguro yung next kong gagawin. Kasi natapos ko na yung pantry, natapos ko na yung mga damit ng mga bata. So, alam mo yun, it's good to be organized sa bahay. And I love it. Maganda ang bahay kapag neat and clean. Sarap-sarap tignan. Ang sarap umuwi sa ganong klaseng bahay. Mabango. Yan. Ayan na, nag-bell na sa school ni Aliyah. So, tatakbo na ako, guys. Nasa swimming na kami, mga zoobs. Ayan si Lele. Nagsiswimming muna siya bago siya mag-lesson. Wow! Wow! Oh, halika na! Come on, it's your lesson na. Ayan naman si Mimi before lesson. Si Lele nagle-lesson na. Kaya na-take a video kasi daming tao eh. Si Mimi na lang. Mainit, babe?
Super. We didn't feel like coming in.
Guys, 15 degrees at naka-sleeveless siya. Ikaw na, babe. Oh! Time to gym! Ayan sila, hinatid nila ako. Dito ako dumaan sa likod. Tapos dun sila pabalik. Bahala na si Andy paligo sa mga bata. Kasi kailangan mag-gym ako ng maaga. Dahil kapag uwi ko, si Andy naman. So siyempre, late na yun. Kapag late na ako natapos. Eh, usually 2 hours ako nag-gym. Siya rin ganun. Ayan ang itsura na ang gym namin. Sa harapan ako dadaan.
Wow. Grabe, that was probably one of the best sessions that I've had in the longest time, probably in years. I did a shoulder day and I tried my best just to push it as hard as I possibly could and absolutely killed it, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I did 1 hour as well of cardio and I upped the pace by another 0.5 and I raised the incline as well, so it was a pretty tough walk. It was luckily that there was a few people at my live, so I was doing my Bigo live while I was doing my cardio and they were talking to me, so it sort of helped me get through it. But grabe, solid session. Hopefully more sessions like that to come. I'll definitely see some growth. But yeah, I'm 4 days straight at 80, which is good. I'm maintaining, I'm happy, and just hoping that by the next, or what is it now, 22 today, I've got 9 more days to trim down to 79. If 78 happens, it happens, but if not, it's okay. I've already hit my goal, but yeah, would like to get down a little bit more just to see the cuts and the veins a little bit more. But yeah, happy with the way it's going. We're going to share with you probably on June 1 the whole routine that we went through and what we were taking, what we were eating all the way through. So yeah, it's been a pretty good month so far, and just hopefully we can maintain that through to, you know, we get to exactly where we want to be.